The next thing to do is to look for the variance. The variance of x. Of course, we should note that the variance of x is equal to the expected value of x squared minus the expected value of x all squared. Now, this is what we are looking for. What is the expected value of x squared? We'll come over to this side to find the expected value of x squared. You can delete this. So the expected value of x, the expected value of x squared is equal to the integral from a to b x squared multiplied by f of x dx. So this is the expected value of x squared. This is what we get. That is, writing it out properly, we have the expected value of x squared to be equal to the integral from a to b x squared multiplied by f of x dx. So all we need to do is to still put the uniform distribution here. So this is the PDF of the uniform distribution. So what we need to do is to include x squared multiplied by 1 all over b minus a dx. Of course, this can come over, which is equal to 1 all over b minus a, the integral from a to b x squared dx. It then means that the expected value of x squared is equal to 1 all over b minus a. We integrate x squared. If we integrate x squared, we'll get x raised to the power of 3 all over 3. Now, this can also give us 1 all over b minus a into anywhere we see x, we put b, and anywhere we see s, we put a to remove this. So, to remove this interval, we have b3 all over 3 minus a3 all over 3. Since they have the same denominator, we have 1 all over b minus a into b3 minus a3 all over 3, which is our expected value of x squared. So, our expected value of x squared, we'll write it over there. We just multiply this by what we have here. So we get, we'll move over to this side so that we can write our expected value of x squared there. We should also remember that our expected value of x is equal to a plus b all over 2. So, our expected value of x squared will be equal to b3 minus a3 all over 3 into b minus a. Of course, this can be expanded. If we expand this, we get b minus a quadratic into b squared plus ab plus a squared. This is what we get all over 3b minus a. So this is what we get. Of course, this will cancel this. I will be left with b squared plus ab plus a squared all over 3. This is our s squared. So we should recall that the variance of x is equal to the expected value of x squared minus the expected value of x all squared. Then we have this as this, which is equal to b squared plus ab plus a squared all over 3 minus, of course, we should remember that the expected value of x, we got a plus b all over 2. So we have a plus b all over 2. We put our square root sign, our square sign, sorry, which is our variance of x. So it then means that the variance of x is equal to, we open this bracket, b squared plus ab plus a squared all over 3 minus a plus b raised to the power of 2 all over 4. Of course, we take the LCM of it. If we take the LCM of this will multiply this. So we have our variance of x to be equal to 4 into b squared plus ab plus a squared minus 3a plus b squared all over 12. We still simplify, we open this bracket. So we move over to this side again. We move over to this side. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So expanding this, we have our variance of x to be equal to 4b squared plus 4ab plus 4a squared minus 3. We open this bracket to give us a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This is what we get all over 12, which is also equal to 4b squared plus 4ab plus 4a squared. We can open this to give us minus 3a squared minus 6ab and minus 3b squared all over 12, which is our variance of x. Of course, the variance of x can also be, we take them separately, 4b squared and 3b squared. So we have 4b squared, sorry, 4b squared minus 3b squared plus, we take this, 4a squared and 3a squared. 4a squared minus 3a squared. We take the last plus 4ab. 4ab minus 6ab all over 12. So our variance of x will be equal to, of course, here we have, this is b squared plus this is a squared minus 4a minus 6ab will give you 2ab all over 12. Of course, this is also equal to b minus a all squared all over 12. So this becomes our variance. So to write it out properly, we go over to the other side. We move over to this side to write it out properly. So it then means that our variance of x is equal to b minus a or raised to the power of 2 all over 12. And we should not forget that we got our expected value of x to be equal to a plus b all over 2. So this becomes our variance, this becomes our mean. So this is how you can obtain the mean and variance, or the expectation and variance of the uniform distribution for a continuous distribution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.